Hello, this is Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. Welcome or welcome back. At the end of my last video, I was sharing my 100-day projects. I stopped at day 47 and I promised a flip through of the finished journal. So here is the finished journal. It's called Beautiful Birds and Roses. I want to say giggles and greetings to Bren's or Bubba Williams and Zant's Sweet Inspiration. Thank you ladies so much for leaving a comment. I really appreciate it. Is an 88 page, I think that's what I counted, 88 page 3 signature journal. The cover is 9.5 by 6.5 with a 2.5 inch spine. I put some lace on here after I sewed in the signatures, and this is made from a pillow, and then the actual cover is made from a box, which was one of the requirements. And then I put part of the cover in here just to give it a little more, the cover of the paper pad, to give it a little more sturdiness. Okay, so in this first one, this is the mini challenge, and the challenge double Dutch door embellishment. And of course my string is getting tangled. I'll open that later. This is my round page. This is my any roll of paper page. It is tracing paper. Here is my tag made out of a tissue box required item. Here is my sticker page. DearJulieJulie digital page. This is my Happy Mail page. This also works for my Make It March from the Happy Mail I got in February. So that opens that way. I did some stamping. Let's see. I think I forgot to put that. I did some stenciling. No? Okay. I think I had some, but I covered it up. Okay. So then here is the sticker embellishment. It's a flip up, flip down with a pocket behind it. Here's the other half of the sticker page. This is the any roll of paper embellishment. The other half of the round page, there's where I stenciled. I've done stamping there, stamping here. Okay, and that's the end of signature 1. And for signature 2, this is my scrapbook paper page element, and it has a pocket here. I've stenciled, I've added some of my, I don't know what's that called, trim or something. It's pretty. Stamping. Here's another pocket. This is my envelope page. There's stamping there. It's got 3 pockets. It's got plenty of embellishing on everything. Here's the back side, more stenciling. When I did my coffee dyeing, I put a doily, a Dollar Tree doily on it. And I think I forgot to, other than on the first round page, I forgot to put them in as pages. But this is very full, so it'll be okay. All right, then I have, this is my ugly paper. First I painted it with some gesso. Then I used a dot stencil and put in some kind of brownish dots, and then I put in some bluish dots, and then I have this stencil. And then this is my ticket element belly band. More, and that's stamped Dear Julie, more DearJulieJulie digital pages. This is the other side of the ugly paper, and it's got a border tuck. This came in Happy Mail a long time ago. And this is from the Bird book. And if you haven't seen that haul video, I'll put an iCard right there. When it goes on YouTube. Okay, this, I've got 1, 2, 3 from the mini challenge and the challenge. And here is my ticket page, and it's got a pocket there and a pocket there, but this won't fit in it. And then here's another one of the patchwork tags, and here, and this is the back of the scrapbook page. More coffee dye paper. Now we're into signature number 3. It's got a lot of writing space. This is my torn book page from All About That Base. And also my torn book page embellishment. It's a little envelope. There is my strips of paper element. I've stenciled on it. Oh, this is, I did some stamping here. This is my round embellishment. And I had a little triangle top tuck up here, so that can go under it. And this one. Here is my ugly paper embellishment. Then here's the mini challenge and the challenge 3.1. This is my scrapbook. Oh no. Okay. Scrapbook paper embellishment. That's it, like a library pocket. This is my envelope embellishment. It's made from a privacy envelope. Strip of paper page. There's where I embellished it, and with the lace too. Here is the strips of paper embellishment. It's a little envelope. Torn, the other side of the torn page. And you can see I've embellished it with stamping, stickers, all kinds of good stuff. Then this is my Happy Mail embellishment. It is from an envelope, and I put the pocket up there, and then this is a tuck as well. More coffee dyed papers, and that is the end. And I have a whole bunch more embellishments that I made for it, so I got to figure out where they're all gonna live. But this is all of the requirements. So, and if you've made it this far into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell if you would like. That way you can see all of my new projects that come out. And that's it for this flip through. My next video will be days 48 through 65. I'll see you then. Thanks again for tuning in. Bye-bye.